Namaskar. Dear parents, as we know, this COVID 19 had affected almost all the fields throughout the world. But among the all, the education has a lot of disturbance. Reason in education, there will be a social gathering. The students don't know about the social distance because of their childish nature. Therefore, it is very difficult to start the classes. But the government had decided to start the online classes, and they instructed us with a government order number CPI 13139 PGC 2020 on 26/6/2020, and there was one PIL, and yesterday High Court also uh, agreed or ordered to start the online classes because it is a basic right of the child. In an attempt, I am happy to announce already we have started the online classes from the Monday onwards according to the government order. Here there are some of the information about our online classes. Actually, when there was a corona pandemic disease, no one means we only decided it is better to start the online classes because no one can predict up to what extent this corona will stay and up to what extent this corona effect will be there. So from the last 2 months, our team and with the technical support of one company, we had started developing the software, our own software, and we succeeded in that. It is one of the wonderful software. So to create that software, there were so many things in our mind. Keeping all the ideas, finally we had started Sai Niketan Institutions, Mudhol and Jamukandi. This is the one app that can be downloaded from your Play Store. I tell you the difference means online and offline classes. Online can be done and offline classes can be done. The main disadvantage of the online class is, in an online class, it's online as it indicates when the classes start, when the teacher takes the class. At the same time, the student should attend the class. One thing, if there is a loss of power or if internet is slow, automatically that passage of the period means that passage of the class will be skipped for say 3 minutes, 4 minutes. Sometimes it may be a full class also. And second thing is, at the online, if it is an online class, then the mobile at a particular time it should be with the students. Suppose all the teachers they come at a 9:30. If you start the online class at a 10 o'clock, your mobile should be with the students. But meanwhile, you also require that mobile, because for your office purpose or you will go to your work. So keeping all these things in our mind, we started this online classes as offline. The offline means the pre-recorded video will be in our app that is known as a virtual classroom, real classroom and virtual classroom. Real classroom means which is real. Virtual classroom means the real classroom, but it is in your mobile. Therefore, the name itself is a virtual classroom. The pre-recorded videos will be uploaded in that virtual classroom, and if you open, automatically the video will display. Here the advantages I tell you, if there is no power, so not an issue. When there is a power, you can start that time. And second thing is, if the internet is slow, then the video stops. And another thing is, if you open it, automatically it starts from where it has stopped. It starts from where it has stopped. It means that there is no loss of the content. Third thing is there is no particular time to observe the videos. Suppose your office time is at 10 o'clock, you can fix your time to the students, because maximum we can take our online classes for 1.5 hour or 2 hours depending on the classes. Means a pre-primary we take only half an hour, for a primary 1 hour, for higher primary 1.5 hour, for the high school it may be 2 hours or 2.5 hours. From morning to 7:30 the mobile is yours. Then your child will observe that video in that particular time, 6 to 7:30. And suppose one more student is there, means if you have two kids, then another time 7:30 to 9 o'clock, like that. You can give the mobile from morning 6 to 10 o'clock. Okay, so this is the one advantage of the app. This is the one advantage of the offline app. Now I show you how it works. See, this is the app that can be downloaded from the Play Store. From the Play Store, if you download, you type it here, Sai Niketan Institutions. So in that, it is here, open, right? Right. In this, we have a lot of number of folders. Assignment is there. Learning resources, communication, students profile, virtual classes, about us, contact us. In these two are very important. One is a virtual class. So virtual class means if you click here, then the subject will come. Suppose 5th standard students. So 5th standard student, the subject is English. And it is on 8th July. And subject is English, name of the topic, everyday thing. So then the things will come, the subject, date, who is the teacher, and duration is how much, and instructions, read the poem. For that you require the books. Then if you click here, join classes, automatically that video will appear here. Okay, this is the what video.
Hello children, hope you all are fine.
And
congratulations for passing from 4.
Okay, so after the completion of the class, what they do, so they will send the homework. For that, communication. In that communication, inbox and outbox is there. In inbox, you will find the homework. In inbox, the homework will be given. And after the completion of the homework, here write to whom to send, name of the teachers, number of teachers are here, name of the teachers. Then what, enter, say Dinesh Mulya, subject, you write it English. Then query, browse. And that only two things are necessary. One is an image, another one is a file. In this image, so images means whatever you have written, you click it, so and paste. Automatically it will be pasted, and paste it, browse, upload the file, upload. If you upload, automatically the class teacher will receive the homework. And after the completion of that homework, once again they will give the information whether it is a right or wrong. This is the what app. So according to me, it is one of the best app that can be used, which is very friendly. Even LKG students can use it very easily, because just a screen touch. With our experience, what type of the content we require for the online and all, it is totally new to everyone. But still then, with our team, and we had developed this software, I can proudly say that this will be the ultimate, and it is as if you are school only. The difference is it is a virtual. Whatever we are doing, it is outside the campus. The students are sitting in home and learning the things. And second thing is, to develop this app, we have spent a lot of money, because this was given to the one company. With our ideology, they have to construct the software. This is the one thing. And second thing is, they individually charge. Per student this much. Right now we have a 3000 students. For all the 3000 students we have to pay. So this is a burden our samstha is facing. And another thing is 250 staff members are working in our institution in 3-4 different campuses. In all the campuses there is a thermal scanning, sanitization, that providing the seats and all, and after the completion of the classes, sanitization of the rooms. A lot of expenditure is there. Last year it was different. The previous 8 years, whatever the expenses means just payment of the teachers, rent, installments, books, bags, everything. So that was the expenditure, and to compensate that expenditure only we struggled when we had put permutations and combinations. It was a difficult time to run the institutions. But this year, again, there is a burden on our institutions as additional things like online, and still then, I'm very happy to say because of these online classes, we have not increased the fees. So the fees, whatever we were taking last year, the same fees will be continued. There is no additional burden on parents. And another thing is to go through these online classes, the books are very essential. And I think all of you know CBSE has been reduced to 30% of the syllabus, and our books are also revised editions, means in that some of the information is deleted, means some of the chapters deleted and additional chapters are added. So 30% of the syllabus has been removed. Therefore, come and collect the books so that your students can enjoy the classes very easily. And finally, it is all left to the God. I hope Sai will have a grace on us, and definitely this pandemic disease will vanish and our regular times will come. And another thing is, from the last 8 years, all of you supported me, and from that, because of that, I have our group, that Sai Niketan family increased to 250, number of students increased from 230 to 3,500. It is all because of the grace of Sai and parents' support. I hope definitely you will continue your support in future also. Okay, thank you. Namaste.